The video that you just saw, I built yesterday. Approximately it took 1 hour while I was enjoying summer because I did it with my own software. Let's find out how I did it. The idea is pretty simple. We take the video like MP4 and then we digest it to our software, which basically break down the MP4 to a sequence of the images like here, and then send these images to Stable Diffusion software, and then this Stable Diffusion will provide the whole result. So let's look at the code. But before we look at the code, let's look how it actually works, because it's really satisfying. To run it, and then as you can see, it generates a bunch of frames from the video that was provided. I get one, and then basically we just need to wait because the system start works. So I will speed it up. Welcome back. As you can see, it generates a bunch of cool frames. And the next step is really simple. We go to the Blender, you'll add image sequence and add image here, and then render animation. And as you can see, it will provide MP4. So let's look at the code quickly. It's really simple. Firstly, we generate a bunch of frames, some helping information, generate the packages for Stable Diffusion software, and then we run it. The interesting part of the code is how we can use this. So option number one, as you can see here, is we basically take frame by frame and then apply this Stable Diffusion to get the images. Or we can run from the first frame and then use the frame as like output of the Stable Diffusion and loop it back to the input. And this will provide this result that you can see right now. That's it for today. I hope it was interesting. Key learnings on this is we can pull different tools in our own script in order to get the result that we can use for our own social media, like our cat Instagram. The link will be below. And I will continue to experiment so you can see how it works and which tools on the market can be used right now to create a great product. So you know what to do. See you in the next one. Peace.